Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be installing this 18-inch kinky straight full lace glueless wig from my company LaLeak Hair. Today's client is none other than my niece. She will be turning 21 in the next couple of days, and she wanted her auntie to get her rights. So she hit me up and said, "Auntie, I'm ordering a wig and I need you to work your magic and do what you do." So stay tuned. See how I style, I cut, and how we achieve a glueless look. She does not like to glue her wigs down, so I added an elastic band in there for extra security. Hope you guys enjoy. The scalp realness on our full lace wigs is everything. Do you see that scalp? Come on now. And out of all the textures in my collection, this is by far my favorite, and this is why. Do you see how silky it looks, but yet it's still full and thick? It mimics my hair to a T, whether it's in its natural state or whether it's pressed out. I am in love with kinky straight. So for this unit, she wanted a Chinese bang along with a blunt cut, and she wanted her bangs to be a little thin, not extremely thick. So what you see me doing here is sectioning off the bang area for where I'm about to cut and pinning the sides back. I'm also going to start cutting at a longer length and then work my way up to her desired length. Now I'm about to do the blunt cut. Whenever I do a blunt cut on a wig unit or sewing or any type of weave, I like to use my clippers. If I'm doing a blunt cut on natural hair, I like to use my shears. There's no particular reason, it's just a preference of mine. But with either choice, you have to make sure you have a steady hand and a good eye. And there you have it. We are all done. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be sure to link this wig unit in the description bar down below. You can shop LaLeak Hair at www.laleakhair.com. And like always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post more videos. And you can share this video too. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video.